सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 137, Shloka 17. दृष्टो येनात्मविक्षेपः निरोधं कुरुते त्वसौ उदारस्तु न विक्षिप्तः साध्याभावात् करोति किम्. As we born and grow gradually, we develop a desire to fulfill one thing or other. Every human being desire to accomplish something without exception. Not one accomplishment, not one desire, but they are endless. When we miss that infinite as our goal, when we miss that infinite Brahman is my goal, I have to attain that. If I miss it, my goals are infinite. My goals are infinite means there are so many goals. I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that, I want to accomplish this, I want to accomplish that, I want to get fulfillment in this field, I want to get fulfillment in that field. One thing or the other always it is back of your mind. That thought keeps the person always anxious. That thought in the mind keeps the person always anxious, ambitious. That gives the disturbance in the mind. And therefore, in our life, our Shastra says dharma, artha, kama, moksha, 4 purusharthas. Live legitimately, use everything moderately. It's called dharma. Live legitimately a life of moral values, legitimate life. Live moderately. Use everything whatever given by Bhagavan, your body, everything moderately use. To use them, to live a legitimate moderate life also you require some wealth, earn money. And you fulfill your basic desires, whatever you have, legitimately, moderately. You have desires, fulfill. Some goals are there. I need this, I need that. Okay. But those 3 are only secondary. They are not the ultimate. They cannot keep you ever secure. Any amount of wealth, any amount of fulfillment or entertainments, any amount of actions will not give total satisfaction. Shastra says that moksha is also one of the goal. Why can't you work for that also? That is the final goal, culmination. Once you come that moksha and you are fulfilled, complete, purnaha. There is no further struggle to fulfill that or this. So everyone's life goal is this actually. Human beings are born only for this only. If we do not know this in our life, as soon as possible, rest of the life is miserable. If you don't recognize this fact as early as possible, the rest of the life is a struggle, burdensome. So you want to live a maximum life peacefully, happily, in every field, everywhere, all the time. If you want to lead a life, happy life, peaceful life, you have to come to moksha. Therefore, Shastra is giving you a what you can call a method. This is the spiritual life is the method for you to be happy, peaceful. Suppose a person listen to Shastra, whatever Shastra says, and study Shastra, attain knowledge, attain moksha. How he is? There is no what you can inadequacy for him in his life. He never miss anything. That is his status of mind. Jnani, once he come to moksha, taking care of the body, he also has lot of relations, body, food, everything is required. And listen to Shastra, Guru, and come to moksha finally. Life is peaceful. So such a Jnani who has attained the fourth Purushartha, which is the ultimate Purushartha, after attaining which there is nothing to attain, after attaining which there is nothing left out to complete, to fulfill, to accomplish. That satisfaction, that Purnata, that completeness comes totally to that person. Therefore, for him there is no distraction. Vikshepaha naasti. So therefore he says, Udaraha tu na vikshiptaha sadhyabhavat karoti kim. Once he has achieved everything, kim karoti? What is there to accomplish? Nothing is left out to accomplish. Therefore, there is nothing to do also. Karoti kim? Kim karoti? What he can do? What for? Alachal ille. Alattal ille anardha. There is no alattal, no? Alattifying in yourself. Alattifying oneself. No? Shopping. So many things want to buy. No? There is a mall in Malaysia. If you go into that mall, you are Golmaal. People so fond of buying things. Because I want to be complete with that. I want to become complete with that. That is why these people, kim karoti, something else, other, karoti eva, doing something or other. Chumma ukaramata. If nothing is there, cell phone. Seeing missed calls, received calls, missed calls, pathinde iruppan. Received calls. Edo one something or other. Always active. But this Jnani, happily, relaxedly sitting in a udaraha, Jnani, na vikshiptaha. There is no distraction, no vacillation, no disturbance. Nothing can disturb him, even he is or she is sitting in the central station. Madras, Chennai central station, if you sit also, he is so tranquil. Even Pandi Bazaar, Usman Road, Ranganath Street also. In the midst of Ranganath Street also, he stands or she stands so tranquil inside. Complete. Udaraha. That is no vikshiptaha. Whereas other person, you see, yena atma vikshepaha nirodham kurute tu asau. The one who is having atma vikshepaha, mental distraction. Atma means mind. Mind is like a monkey. They compare to a monkey. Monkey avadu paravale. Konja neravadu ukkarum. Even mind we should not compare with monkey. Vayu vegam. Manasu vayu vegam. Manojavam maruta tulya vegam anchonna. Manojavam anana. There the speed, mind speed. Mind speed la porara Hanuman. Aparanda vayu. Even air cannot go fast. Who goes fast? Mind alone goes fast. That much faster, fastest thing is the mind. Apranda electricity also. Such a speed mind we are maintaining here. That's why dash, 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 always hitting to something or other, no? Over speed pona enna break da. Lot of breaks will come. Every pain is a break. So mind speed. Atma vikshepaha drishtaha, the one who sees some disturbance, distraction in the mind. Yogis are some people who are doing sadhakas. Mind is going, bring back. Mind is going, bring back. Sadhana, what teachers are teaching? Your mind goes there, bring back. Shanai Shanair Uparamet. Sadhana Panni. Manassu. Finally, you have to come what actually? Let it go, mind. Where it goes? Where it goes? Yatra yatra manoyati tatra tatra samadhayaha. Mind goes where it goes, almost it goes where? Na, Brahman only. It cannot go anything. There is no second thing, real thing. Where it goes? Pona pohatume. Adi nee vitta poyidi thirupi vandudu. Nee adi pudichittu pokudadana pogu. It is natural to the mind. We don't struggle too much. We struggle. In the initial stages, we struggle. After coming to Vedanta only, you come to know. There is no need of even focusing also. You have to focus your mind to know that you need not focus. You have to focus your mind. Ekarupa dhyanam. Chitta ekagrata dhyanam you have to do. For what purpose? To understand Ashtavakra Gita. After understanding, you understand that I need not focus. What? Mind. Why? Mind irundadane. Nijama. Poyyana manasu irkano. So I look at it as a third person, as a witnesser. So such a mind is not a burdensome mind. It's not mano bharaha. It is shanta manaha. Shanta manaha is a beauty. It's my glory. It is my beauty. It is a wonder. I use such a beautiful mind. Mana vilasini. That is why Dakshinamurti Stotra Manasollasa ani peru. Manasollasa Sureshwaracharya's Vartikam perinna Manasollasa. If you study that, you get ullasam to the manas. Up to here we saw in the last class. Such a person only does nirodham and all. For a jnani, there is no need of controlling the mind, focusing the mind. All these are not necessary for him. Next shloka, we will read 18th shloka, page 138. Dhiro loka viparyastah vartamanopi lokavat na samadhim na vikshepam na lepam swasya pashyati. இதெல்லாம் கிராஃபிக் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் அப்படியே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கார் அஷ்டாவக்ரர். லுக் இன் டு த ஸ்லோகா. வர்த்தமானஹ அபி லோகவத். Even though this jnani is remaining, moving, lokavat, like all people, loka means here people, like all people, even though he is moving, who is he? Dhiraha. Dhiraha means jnani. Real dhiraha, bold person is only jnani, not other people. Other people are all bhayadarshinaha. They always have fear. Real dhiraha is what? He is free from fear because there is no second thing to cause fear. There is no second real thing to cause fear. There are so many fake things. Unreal things are there. Nama Rupa Prapancha. There are The bhayam, fear comes to the only body when it interacts with the objects. The mind is having fear. I, the consciousness, am fearless. Mind, why it has got fear? Because it has got reality with the world, with the body. That is why it has got fear. For a jnani, the whole world is like a paper tiger. Namma mudiyuma? For a jnani, whole world is like a paper tiger. He looks at it and play like a baby, with the world. That is his mental status. No one can exploit that person. He is not afraid of anyone in the world. Because whenever they are talking, all paper tigers talking. Paper lions or paper tigers, they are not a real, like rope snake. This vision, see the perception. How he perceives the world. That is why in Panchadasi, Vidyaranya says, in Ishvara Srishti there is no problem. In your Manorajyam only, Jiva Srishti only problem. Purinchak matome. என்ன நமக்கு புரிஞ்சிட்டு அந்த மனசு கொப்பை என்ன மாயா மோகினி ஸோ பவர்ஃபுல்னோ அப்படி இடிக்கும் ஃபுல் பண்ணும். வேர் கேன் யூ கோ பை லீவிங் மீ மாயா சேஸ் யூ கேனாட் லீவ் மீ. therefore dhiraha loka viparyastaha is free from viparyastaha, means all sorts of problems. Viparyastaha, loka viparyastaha means contrary to the ordinary people. For even though he is midst of all other ajnanis, he is contrary, means what? விபர்யாசமாக இருப்பார் அவர். அவர் மாதிரி அஜ்ஞானி மாதிரி இருக்க மாட்டான், அவ்வளோதான் அர்த்தம். விபர்யஸ்தா மீன்ஸ் லோக விபர்யஸ்தா மீன்ஸ் அன்லைக் அதர் அஜ்ஞானிஸ். Not like ajnanis. He is unlike ajnanis. Unlike means what? If they have fear, he doesn't have fear. If he have jealousy, he doesn't have jealousy. If they have limitation, he doesn't have limitation. If they have lot of insecurity, he doesn't have that insecurity. That is called viparyasa. அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன இருக்குமோ இவனுக்கு அது இருக்காது. அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன இல்லையோ அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். என்ன அர்த்தம்? என்ன இல்லை அவங்களுக்கு என்ன செக்யூரிட்டி இல்லை, ஹாப்பினஸ் இல்லை, அதெல்லாம் இவனுக்கு இருக்கும். திஸ் ஞானி இஸ் ஹேவிங். பட் யூ cannot see outside. That is only internal phenomenon. You cannot see on his face. Looks like alike, same. In the same family, mother gives birth to children. One son or daughter is jnani, another son or daughter is ajnani. Mother do not know that. She serves for both of them. ஒருத்தன் வந்து ஞானி, ஒருத்தன் வந்து இப்படி இருப்பான். Even mother do not know. Nobody knows. Brother, sister also doesn't know. Only பாம்பு காலு பாம்புக்கு தான் தெரியும். அந்த மாதிரி no one can recognize. Difficult. Therefore dhiraha loka viparyastaha is totally different from other people, in spite of moving in among the people, working, doing every action like them, but entirely different. His perception is different, understanding is different. So na samadhim na vikshepam na lepam swasya pashyati. Na samadhim pashyati. He is not in need of samadhi, absorption. He is not in need of samadhi. I want to sit in samadhi. I want to do meditation. Daily I want to merge with my Atman. Adella thevaye illa. That is only for sadhaka, not for jnani. He need not do any sadhana. Why? He is no more a sadhaka. Sadhaka only has to do sadhana. No need of samadhi abhyasa. Samadhi for what sake? To assimilate the teaching. He has already assimilated. There is no na samadhim pashyati. Not interested in samadhi also. because he has changed that I am the only source of happiness. I am the only source of security. I am the only source of ananda. There is no second thing at all. Therefore, na vikshepam pasyati. If there is a distraction only, you want to do samadhi abhyasa. If there is a distraction, manas looking at nama rupa really, distraction is there. That person is disturbing me, this person is disturbing me. Neighbors are disturbing me, they are disturbing me. My mind is so disturbed. Therefore, go to samadhi. Anna. Once disturbance is not there, I don't feel. It is also a noise is in the existence going on. Anna. It is also another noise going on in the Satchidananda. Satchidananda making noise, one type of noise. That is why if you have that idea, there is some disturbance, and manas, ada manorajyam and jiva srishti. If you look into a different, change your mind direction towards something, you don't feel that disturbance. காரணம் என்ன, மனசு இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போச்சு, அவ்வளோதான். அந்த சவுண்டு தெரியல. யூ கோ அண்ட் ஸ்டே நியர் எ பர்சன்ஸ் ஹவுஸ் whose house is very near to the railway track. You go and see, you ask them, how can you stay here? How you sleep, you ask. அங்கே ஒரு ட்ரெயின் இருக்கா போகிறதுனே தெரியாது. ஆமாம், they are not feeling at all. ஏன்னா 20 வருஷமாக இருந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதே நமக்கு என்ன பழக்கம் இல்லாதவங்களுக்கு, அம்மோ இங்கே ட்ரெயின் ட்ராக் இருந்தால் நமக்கு தூக்கமே வராது, ரொம்ப டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கும், அது இது சொல்லுவோம். ஏன் அண்ணா பாருங்க டிஃபரன்ஸு. பழகி 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 அது ஒரு சுன்னு போயிடும், அவ்வளோதான். நமக்கு தலைமையில் போயின மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஏன்னா ஜஸ்ட் ஹேபிட். Okay, so therefore na samadhi na vikshepa, no distraction, na lepam. Na lepam means not tainted by anything, not tainted. Na pashyati nissangatvat, sangarahitah. Kaha lepaha nar, no ointment anamata. Lepam anna smearing, cannot be smeared by anything anartha. That means what? Not inflicted by anartha. I am enlivening the matter. How matter can disturb me, the consciousness? I am giving life to that snake. Enna snake? Number snake. Rough snake. I am giving existence to the snake. How that snake can come and disturb the rope? Ella think pannunga. How can that snake come and disturb that rope? Why it cannot disturb? It's not there to disturb. It's not there. Similarly, the whole world is resting upon me. Because of me, it is sustaining. Without me, it cannot be there. It is like a shadow of mine. How my shadow, the world, can disturb me? Eppadi Swamini, how are you able to say like that, Anna? I, the consciousness, am giving, enlivening the matter, Nama Rupa Prapancha. We are taking this body as real. Mind is real. That is why we are not able to see the mithyatvam of the body mind. Every moment you have to do nididhyasana. Whatever comes in your mind, I told you in the last class, whatever your mind gets thought of something, that something is mithya. Whatever comes in the mind, Nama Rupa. Nama Rupa, suppose pot comes. Is there pot? No. Only clay. Is there clay? No. Earth. Is there earth? No. Like that you have to go Sanmoolam Anvichan. Therefore, unless you make this body mind mithya, unreal, you cannot detach. You cannot disidentify. As long as you have reality, bhavana upon this body, mind, you cannot disidentify. As long as you won't disidentify, you cannot neighborize your problem. You cannot neighborize your problem. Therefore, problem is real. I am real. World is real. Struggle is real. Misery is real. Ellame real. That is the problem. Therefore, lepam swasya na pashyate. He doesn't see any sort of because it belongs to lower order of reality. Lower order of reality cannot touch me, the consciousness, higher order of reality. That's why punya, papa, karma of the body, mind cannot touch me, the Atma. I am higher order, this is lower order. Like dreamer cannot touch the waker. Next shloka. Bhava bhava vihinaha. Sorry. Bhava bhava vihinaha. Yastrupto. Vihinaha. Yastrupto. Nirvasano buddhaha. नैव किञ्चित् कृतं तेन लोकदृष्ट्या विकुर्वत यः the one who is bhava bhava vihinaha. So this is description of a gnani. Bhava abhava vihinaha. Vihinaha means free from. Free from what? Bhava. Bhava means existence. Whatever existent nama rupa is not the gnani. Gnani means not consciousness. Bhava means existence. Abhava means non-existence. He can take two ways here. Abhava means which has not yet manifested. Matter which is in unmanifest form, yet still it is at unmanifest form, abhava. Not yet seen, not yet present in front, abhava. Bhava which is present, which is existent now, which is not created, which is in unmanifest form, potential form, which is created now, it is existent, that is non-existent. You can take this way also. Bhava, abhava, vihinaha. Vihina means free from. Free from sat and asat. Free from sat and asat. From existent and non-existent. Rope is existent. Snake, non-existent. Waker is existent. Dreamer, non-existent. Appadi eduthukalam. Vyavaharika satyam, pratibhasika satyam. So, vyavaharika satyattiki, pratibhasika satyattiki apparupattavan anartham. Vyavaharika satyam, pratibhasika satyam, ivar enna paramarthika satyam. Okay. Three orders of reality. Waker is one order of reality. Dreamer is another order of reality. Dreamer is less real than waker. Waker is less real than consciousness. So, waker is in the middle between dreamer and sandwich madri. Dreamer and consciousness. Consciousness is higher order of reality, paramarthika satyam. So, bhava means vyavaharika satyam, existent world which is nama rupena appearing. Abhava means dream. All pratibhasika padarthas projected all the things. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த வியாபாரம் கூட மித்யான்னு சொல்லுவோம், அது வேற விஷயம். ஓகே. ஸோ பிராதிபாசிக சத்தியம், வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம், இது ரெண்டுமே பிராதிபாசிக சத்தியம் அபாவ, வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம் பாவ, இந்த ரெண்டுமே பாரமார்த்திக சத்திய ஆத்மலோ இல்லை. நிஜமா இல்லை. பாரமார்த்திக சத்திய ஆத்மலோ இல்லைன்னு ஏதோ கார்னரில் பார்க்கக்கூடாது. Paramarthika Satyam, I the consciousness in me, there is no waker, there is no dreamer. Who am I? I am Turiya Atma. Pradhamah pada, Dvitiyah pada, Tritiyah pada, Vilakshanaha, Aham Brahma, Turiya Atma Asmi. Adida. భావ అభావ విహీన కార్యకారణ విలక్షణ అని అర్థం. యహ తృప్త నిర్వాసన బుధ. తృప్త సిన్స్ ఐ am ద కార్యకారణ విలక్షణం అనిర్వచనీయం బ్రహ్మ I am truptaha. There is no dissatisfaction in me. I am truptaha. I am ever satisfied with me. Nothing can come and satisfy. Nothing need not come to satisfy me. That's why కిమిచ్చన్ కస్య కామాయ శరీరం అనుసంజ్వరేత్ అని బృహదారణ్యక వాక్యం. For whose sake he desire or she desire anything, or concerned for what, for whose sake, this concern about others also a problem. Concern towards me too much. Concern towards whom? Who am I? I need not concern about myself because I am not the body mind complex. Anatma is never free from defects. I, the Atma, I am ever free from defects. I am worried about other people, Swami. I am not worried about myself. I am worried about my wife. Amma amma Brahmanaki wife undodi anna. Swamiji says, Brahmanaki wife engerikappa. Nanna Brahmana therinju pochu Swamini. I am Brahman only. My husband kada avaru idi concerned. Concerned. Kasya kamaya shariram anusanjvaret. For whose sake you are concerned? Who is that? Here ahankara is there, there mamakara comes. We are not realizing this and struggling, worrying about that person. எனக்கு தேவையே இல்லை, அவருக்காக விழுந்துட்டாடு, அவ்வளோதான். எனக்கு தேவையே இல்லை, அவருக்காக, குழந்தைக்காக, ஹஸ்பண்டுக்காக, இப்படி சொல்லி சொல்லி கன்சர்ன் அபவுட் அதர்ஸ். It is a big problem. It concerned about others is their prarabdha, that is. You cannot change others. இது ரொம்ப மோசம் சுவாமி, இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. Because their prarabdha is not in your hands. How much you are able to concern about others? According to their karma phalam, their prarabdha is going to take place. Krishna could not stop Pandavas to go to forest, Pandavas to suffer. Krishna could not stop. Rama himself could not stop his life in forest. Similarly, concern about others is also not right, because that concern about whom, that person is mithya, nama rupa. Look at the Atma there. Therefore, it is not joke. Brihadaranyam tiripi tiripi padikkanam. Upanishad we have to assimilate again and again. 1 listening, 2 listenings, 3 listenings, 4, 5, 6, until I get nishtha. Lifelong process. Okay, long nididhyasana is required. It shows immediately how much you are established in the truth. It shows that much you have spent in Shastra and Artham. It's not easy. Truptaha nirvasanaha. Vasana is not there, not concerned about himself, not concerned about others. This is also mithya, that is also mithya. Where is the question of concern? இதெல்லாம் வீட்டுக்கு போய் சொல்லாதுங்க. இது only from Atma standpoint, Paramarthika Drishtya. Vasanana, old habitual notions are not there. Struggle is not there. That is called nirvasana. Samskaras, old samskaras. I am suffering. I need moral support. Someone should validate me. Someone should recognize me. My husband அது வேலிடேட் பண்ண மாட்டார், அவரே பண்ண மாட்டார். ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ண வேண்டாமோ? Someone should validate me, someone should give moral support to me. So this person is not required any moral support from anyone or validation from anyone. Whose validation I want? I am giving validation to whole universe. Whose validation I require? Therefore, I am not in need of anyone's validation, because I am nirvasanaha, vasana rahitaha. I am a jivaha is a vasana. I am suffering is a vasana. A type of vasana. Sarira bhavana, jiva bhavana. Buddha, wise person, Wise person is one. Vasana kshaya is not there because vasanas are belong to that mithya, lower order of reality. They cannot touch me if there is there. How many snakes, rope snakes இருந்தா எனக்கு என்ன? 100 இருந்தா என்ன, 150 இருந்தா என்ன, எல்லாமே மித்யா தான். இந்த சஃபரிங்கில் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை சுவாமி, அதுதான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் கொடுக்கறதுன்னா அது என்னன்னா அதை விட மித்யா. நம்ம இந்த மித்யாத்வம் பண்ண விடாது இந்த மாயா பிரபஞ்சம். ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, அகங்காரம் மமகாரம். அஷ்டாவக்ரர் என்ன சொன்னார்? இது எல்லாத்துக்கு காரணம் ஒன்றே ஒன்று தான். என்ன தெரியுமோ? டிசைர். யுவர் டிசைர் இஸ் த காஸ், யுவர் ராகா இஸ் த காஸ், யுவர் துவேஷா இஸ் த காஸ். அட்டாச்மெண்ட் அண்ட் அவர்ஷன், அட்டாச்மெண்ட் அண்ட் அவர்ஷன். என்ன சொல்லணும்? அட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஏ, எவர்ஷன், எவர்ஷன் ஸ்பெல்லிங் என்ன? இ இவர்ஷனா? எவர்ஷன் ஏ ஒன்லி, எவர்ஷன். ஸோ ஏ கோன்னு சொல்லணும். ஏ கோனா, ஏ கோ இஸ் எ நேம். ஹூஸ் நேம் அண்ணா? யாரும் பேர் கிடையாது. ஏ கோன்னு. நோ அட்டாச்மெண்ட், நோ எவர்ஷன். AVERSION, aversion. No dvesha, no raga. Name dvesha ragau, name lobha mohagau. Mohau annaru. Name anna atmani. Naiva kinchit kritam tena lokadrishtya vikurvata. Naiva kinchit tena kritam. Nothing is there to be done by him, the one who has transcended. When he has transcended all the thoughts of thinking, doing this and that, kinchit tena lokadrishtya vikurvata api, even though from the standpoint of worldly people, even though from the standpoint of worldly people, he is acting. He is acting. Acting means according to their prarabdha. When he is doing actions, really speaking, nothing is done by him. Na kinchit kritam. Lokadrishtya vikurvata api, even though from the standpoint of worldly people, he is doing, involving in activities, doing lot of activities, but that person is not doing. Adepadi, so busy, not at all doing anything now, because he is free from kartrutva bhavana, free from doership. Ahankara, aham karta iti bhavana nasti. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manneda tattvavit. Pashyan shrunvan sprishan jigran. I am not doing. I means which I? Paramarthika I or Vyavaharika I? Paramarthika I, the consciousness. I cannot do anything. I am not doing illa. I cannot do anything because I am niravayavaha. Avayam irundadane edavadhu pandradhukku. I am not doing anything. But who is doing it? In my presence, body is doing. அப்புறம் எல்லாம் அக்கிரமம் கூட பண்ணலாமே, பாடி தானே பண்ணுறதுன்னா. Gnani never go beyond dharma. Very natural. Yena one point we have to understand here. Gnani never violate dharma because to come to that gnana nishtha gnani and the status, that is aham brahmasmi gnanam, has come because of that sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. That sadhana chatushtaya sampatti time itself, the sadhaka followed a dharmic life. Once follow dharmic life, a dharmic life only brought you here, then this dharma is become the second nature of the gnani. Very natural for the gnani. Dharma, really speaking, is an embodiment of dharma nu sollalam. Enna dharma illadavanuku gnanam varadu. That is why Dharma, Shastra says, Shastra is free from that. No? He is also free from Shastra. Ko vidhi ko nishedhaha ekatvam anupashyataha annar. Shastra also says, you are helpless, you cannot violate dharma. Therefore, I am going to some other place who is violating. Shastra says that. Because my job is over with you. I need not be with you. I need not instruct you with vidhi nisheda. Because you cannot go away from vidhi nisheda. Because they are inbuilt in you now. You have got that knowledge now. You cannot go away. So Shastra goes to another person who is violating. That's why for him, ko vidhi, ko nishedha. Because Jnani doesn't have, I am the doer. That kartrutva bhavana, while doing action, I am doing, this is for my sukha, this is my for pleasure, I am doing, bhavana is not there. Then how is it possible? For that he gives an example. And the next shloka, now next shloka he gives the example. So loka drushtya vikurvata api tena kinchit naiva kritam. He is not doing anything really. Then what is it in a karma abhasa? It is only a abhasa, reflection. It is not real. Sloka 20. Pravruttau va nivruttau va naiva dhirasya durgrahah yada yat kartumayati tad krutva tishtata sukham. Yada, when yat kartum ayati, he is not doing anything, you are telling, how is it possible for him? He does or she does. Not any willful sankalpa they does. Whatever comes, kartum ayati, comes in front of him, in his presence or her presence, whatever comes to do, they do that. That's all. They don't have any will deliberately, I want to do this, I want to do that. At that moment, at that time, this is the thing you have to do, you have to speak, you have to go there, and it happens like that. Like that. Yat kartum ayati. Whatever comes in front to do as an action, tat kritva tishtataha sukham. By performing that action, remaining happily. Tat kritva means that action they perform. Kritva means having done that. How they remain? Tishtataha sukham. Tishtataha means remain sukham, happily. That is, see the view towards the world. I change. I am consciousness. World is mithya. That is okay. But transformation here, inside, it takes a long time. Ellame mithya dane. Konda pot paatite, like pot. Everything like pot. But the transformation should come as a fact. Pot is unreal. Whatever body. Pot is unreal is not the lesson. Body is unreal and chollanam. And your attachment towards body, your identity towards body has to change. Your perception has to change. That is a total transformation. That should come. Therefore, he says, tat kritva sukham tishtataha. There, so what? Pravurttau va nivurttau va naiva dhirasya durgraha. Durgraha means there is no any eagerness or uneasiness. I have to leave this, I have to go away from this, I have to do this. Pravruttauvan, whatever comes in front of him to do or to do responsibility duties, does. Ayyo, idu pannanuma, na pannanuma. Pravruttau durgaraha nasti. Nivrittau, when it goes away from him or he has to go away from that duty or activity or people, there is no any uneasiness. There is no any eagerness or uneasiness. In Pravruttau, eagerness is not there. In Nivrittau also, uneasiness is not there. Therefore, he is free in Artham. Dhiraha. Next shloka. 21. Nirvasana niralambaha Swachando mukta bandhanaha Kshipta samskaravatena Cheshtate shushka parnavat. If you have a doubt how a jnani can do such a way actions, how is it possible? Na? He gives a beautiful example. Like a dry leaf. Dry leaf, once it fall from the tree, dry leaves are there. Their movement decided by whom? Wind. Namak theriyum. It is a dry leaf. It doesn't have any will of its own. It just move like that because it's very light. And காற்று எப்படி பறக்கிறதோ எந்த பக்கம் பறக்கிறதோ அந்த பக்கம் போயிடும் அது. Dry leaf மாதிரி. Like that jnanis prarabdha karma, whatever he or she has to do at that place where they stay, where they are living, in that atmosphere, that surroundings, at that area, according to their prarabdha, that is God's will. Prarabdha of a jnani is like a dry leaf which is in the God's will is the wind. Wind is the God's will. God's will make him his prarabdha to function. Because jnani doesn't have any ahankara, mamakara, doership. Like that he says. Because he is nirvasanaha, vasana rahitaha, niralambaha, supportless. Alamba means support. Niralambaha means supportless. God's will is his prarabdha. My prarabdha eppadi irukumo? Prarabdhamavadu gerabdhamavadu. Gnani never hold to prarabdha. Prarabdha is mithya. Given to Bhagavan, you do whatever you want to do with this body. It is like a dry leaf. Bhagavan is using the prarabdha of this body. Whatever you want to do, do. Hadida. God's will decides the prarabdha of the jnani. Nirvasaha, nirvasanaha, vasana rahitaha, samskaras, my palas vasanas, my previous 20 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back, all those vasanas, habitual notions, adella vandi அப்படியே pricking ana. In presence of jnanam, all vasanas are almost burnt. No vasanas can touch him. Touch him enna? அது வந்து lower order. நான் வந்து higher order. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம்? பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். வேக்கர் ட்ரீமர்னு பார்த்தின மாதிரி ஐ தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் லுக் எட் த வேக்கர். எப்படி இருக்கே? எப்படி இருக்கேன்னா என்ன? ஐ தி consciousness, I am enlivening the waker. Just as the waker enlivening the dreamer, waker இல்லாமலே dreamer இருக்க முடியாது. நான் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இல்லாமலே வேக்கர் இருக்க முடியாது. அதனால வேக்கர் is blessed by me. Who is listening in the class Ashtavakra Gita? வேக்கர் blessed by me, the consciousness. அவன் எங்கே வேக்கரை இருக்க போகிறான்? இல்லைன்னா யூஸ்லெஸ் ஃபெலோ. Waker, useless fellow, inert body, I only make him to be waker food. நான் தான் கொடுத்தேன். நம்ம அது மாதிரி இருந்துட்டு இப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியதை போய் என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? I am a waker, I have Atma. I have Atma. Hey, you have Atma illa. You are the Atma. You are making the body as waker. So really, you are making the body to be waker. ஓகே, ரொம்ப சொல்லக்கூடாது. நிர்வாசன நிராலம்ப ஸ்வச்சந்த முக்தபந்தன. ஸ்வச்சந்தன செல்ஃப் கைடன்ஸ். there is no need of any other guidance is required. No others guidance. స్వచ్ఛంద తనకు తాను సెల్ఫ్ డిపెండెంట్ అని అర్థం. ఇండిపెండెంట్. వరల్డ్ డిపెండెన్స్ టు, గాడ్ డిపెండెన్స్ టు, శాస్త్ర డిపెండెన్స్ టు, గురు డిపెండెన్స్ టు, ఇండిపెండెన్స్, సెల్ఫ్ డిపెండెన్స్. స్వచ్ఛంద. నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఫర్ హిమ్. ఓకే, స్వచ్ఛంద. ముక్తబంధన, ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ బాండేజ్, free from janana marana samsara bondage, because cheshtate, he continues doing loka sangraha. Cheshtate parantu kadam shushka parnavat. Parna means leaf, shushka means dry leaf, like dry leaf. Shushka parnavat means like dry leaf. Cheshtate. How? Samskaravatena kshiptaha. Samskaravatena kshiptaha. Because of, he has fallen from that samskara vasana. And the samskaras, like a cucumber, is very cool. Cucumber madri. And the leaf, once it is snapped from that samskara vasana, that leaf is decided by that God's will. அது மாதிரி there is no any deliberate planning. இயர் பிளான் மாதிரி ஒரே பிளானோ அந்த மாதிரி கிடையவே கிடையாது. சுஷ்க பர்ணவத், லைக் எ ட்ரை லீஃப், he or she moves. That is why இந்த ஃப்ளூட், பகவான் கையில் ஃப்ளூட் இருக்கு இல்லையோ, ஃப்ளூட் இருக்கா, அந்த ஃப்ளூட் மாதிரி the ஞானி is like a flute in the hands of Bhagavan. Bhagavan play the nice music with a Gnani. So Gnani life is like nice music. Who is playing? Bhagavan is playing. Because he is free from ahankara, mamakara. Bhagavan used that instrument, body, mind of the Gnani beautifully, so that Bhagavan is enjoying music. Loka also enjoy the music. Bhagavan's body is like that. असंसारस्य तु क्वापि न हर्षो न विषादता सशीतलं मना नित्यं विदेह इव राजते. Suppose how prarabdha can go such easily, Swamini? If people have doubt, no? See, prarabdha, the jiva is attacked by prarabdha. The prarabdha ஒரு boxer, jiva is ஒரு boxer. ரெண்டு boxers. Prarabdham is adrishtam, not visible. நாளைக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட் என்ன நடக்க போகிறதோ நமக்கு தெரியாது, அதுதான் பிராரப்தம். ஓகே, பிராரப்தம். I am going to be attacked by this. This jiva, one boxer is visible. In the boxing ring la, and the ring la, one boxer is visible. Another boxer without is not visible. That is called adrishta prarabdham. Adrishta not luck. Invisible prarabdham is a invisible boxer. Hitting this boxer, the jiva cannot see the prarabdha boxer. Jiva, the individual, I jiva, cannot see the what prarabdha invisible boxer. I cannot see. நான் எங்கே இருக்கேன்னு அவனுக்கு தெரியும், அவன் எங்கே இருக்க எனக்கு தெரியாது. இப்போ நீ பிராரப்தான் ஏதாவது ஹிட் பண்ணலாமா, இப்படி நடக்க போகிறது பிராரப்தான், ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியாது. எப்போ வியாதி என்ன வருமோ என்ன நடக்குமோ இந்த உடம்புக்கு எனக்கு தெரியாது, எனக்கு சம்பந்தமான பீப்புளுக்கு என்ன நடக்குமோ எனக்கு தெரியாது, எப்போ என்ன நடக்குமோனே தெரியாது. இன்விசிபிள், அன்பிரடிக்டபிள், Unsustainable prarabdha is like an invisible boxer hitting me in my nose. எப்போ வந்து ஹிட் பண்ணுவனே தெரியாது, எந்த மாதிரி எப்போ நான் பயமாக இருக்கும், எந்த பக்கம் வந்து வருமோன்னு பிராரப்தம். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறாரு ஞானி, அந்த பிராரப்தத்துலேருந்து ஜம்ப் பண்ணுறார் வெளியில். அந்த ரிங்கில் இருக்கிறவருக்கு தானே எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம், அந்த ரிங்கில் இருக்கிறவருக்கு தானே எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம். ஜம்ப் அவுட் ஆஃப் தட் ரிங்கண்ணா, give up the box or hood. Okay, jivatvam drop, say aham brahma asmi. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.